the grammar section of lesson 13. In this lesson, we will know more about the modal auxiliaries. Before explaining what the modal auxiliaries are, let me remind you of the helping verbs. What are the helping verbs? The helping verbs are verbs that come right before the main verb, which is the action verb. The helping verbs, they tell more about the action verb. One type of helping verb is the modal auxiliaries. So the modal auxiliaries are a type of the helping verbs. They come right before the action verbs. So what do they tell? Let's find out. First, we're going to start with the helping verbs or the modal auxiliaries: may, might, can, and could. So let's start with the helping verb may or the modal auxiliary may. What does it show or what does it express? It shows the permission to do an action. It shows that the subject is allowed something. For example, my parents said my sister may go on the field trip. Okay, first, let's pick out the verb. Where is the verb may go? It's made up of two parts, the helping verb may and the main verb go. Let's take a look at the helping verb. What does it tell exactly? It tells that my sister may go. So it tells that my sister, she has the permission to do something. She's allowed to go on the field trip. Another thing that the verb may express, it expresses the possibility that an action will happen. It shows that an action may happen. It's possible to happen. For example, Iho may see penguins in the Arctic exhibit. She may see penguins. So it is possible that she may see penguins. An action is possible. It can happen. So one more time, the verb may, the helping verb may, or the modal auxiliary may, it shows a permission that someone is allowed to do something, or it shows the possibility that an action will happen. It shows that it's possible that the verb will take place. Let's move on to the second verb, might. What does it express exactly? It also shows possibility that the action will happen. It is possible that the action will happen. Let's read the example. The class might also see polar bears. So, where is the verb? Might see. Where is the helping verb? Might. The main verb, see. Let's take a look at the helping verb. Might. What kind of helping verb is it? It's a modal auxiliary. What does it tell? It shows possibility that the action will happen. The class might see polar bears. So the action verb see, it's possible that they will see polar bears. There's a possibility that this verb will happen. Let's move on to the next verb, can. The verb can, it shows certain ability to do an action. It shows that there's an ability to do an action. You can do something. The subject is able to do something, not possibility. No, there is certain ability. You can do something. Something can be done. There is an ability for something to be done. Let's read the example. We can go on Tuesday or Thursday. So here the action go. We are able to go on Tuesday or Thursday. There is an ability for this action to happen. The last one, could, it shows that there is a possibility of having the ability to do an action. It's possible to be able to do something. For example, perhaps we could also visit the desert exhibit. Perhaps we could also visit. So it is possible that we will be able to visit the desert exhibit. It's possible that we will be able to do something. So that there's a difference between can and could. Can, it shows that you are able to do something. Could, it shows that it's possible to be able to do something. There is a possibility to be able to do something. Let's read the examples. Whenever it snows, Chantal can watch the snowfall from her window. So whenever it snows, she can watch. She's able to watch the snow. There is an ability to do the action. The next one, she wonders whether she might visit the arcade someday. She's asking whether she has the possibility to visit the arcade someday. So here the verb might, it shows the possibility that action is going to happen. She asks whether it's possible to visit the arcade someday. 3. Her parents have said she may go after she graduates from high school. So her parents, they have said that she may go, she's allowed to go, yes, she may go after she graduates from high school. So here, the helping verb may suggests a permission. Yeah, she may go after she graduates. Yeah, she will be allowed after she graduates. Number 4, Chantal thinks she could work hard and save enough money for a trip. So again, she thinks that it's possible for her to be able to work hard and save money for the trip. So she could work hard. Yeah, she may have the possibility to work to save money. She can imagine how exciting it would be to see a polar bear. Yeah, she's able to imagine. She really can imagine how exciting it would be to see a polar bear. So she's able to imagine. She can do something. And now let's move to another group of modal auxiliaries: would, should, and must. Let's start. So would, should, and must, they are another group of the helping verbs which are modal auxiliaries. Let's start with the helping verb would. The helping verb would, what does it express or what does it show? It shows the willingness to do an action. It shows that you want to do something. So I'll go to Antarctica if I had the chance. It means that I really want to go to Antarctica if I had a chance. So here there is a willingness to do an action. There is someone who really wants or he wishes to do something. The next one, should. It shows that the action probably ought to happen. It's better for the action to happen that way. For example, people going to Antarctica should learn about the area before they go. So it's better to really for the people who going there to learn before they go, to learn about the place before they go. So the verb should, it shows the action probably ought to happen. The action probably, it's better for the action to happen that way. The last one, must, it shows that the action absolutely has to happen. It has to happen. There is no other option. For example, visitors to Antarctica must go with an experienced guide. They must go with a guide. The action, it has to happen that way. So going to Antarctica must be with a guide. So the action, it must happen. There is no other option. Let's read the examples. You should hear my uncle talk about his work to Antarctica. So you should hear, you probably, yeah, it's better if you hear my uncle talk about work in Antarctica. Number 2, if he ever goes back, I would love to go with him. So here the verb would, it shows the willingness to do something. It shows that someone wants to do something or wishes to do something. Number 3, before he will let me go, he says I must take special training to know what to expect there. So before my uncle will let me go, he says I must take training, special training to know what to expect there, to know how to deal with the things that I might face. So again here, the verb must, it shows that something really has to happen. So taking a special training is a must. Number 4, also he thinks I should work hard to be in a good physical shape. So he thinks I should work hard. So again, the verb should, it shows that the action, yeah, it's probably better that way. You should work hard. I should work hard to be in a good physical shape. Of course, I must get my parents' permission to go. So the verb must here, it shows that that the permission must be given from my parents. So I must get my parents' permission. So that is something that I must do, something that has to happen. Number 6, I would really enjoy seeing all that ice and visiting penguins in their natural habitat. So here again, the verb would, it shows the willingness to do something or to do an action. It shows that someone really wishes to do something or wants to do something. I would really enjoy seeing something that I would like to do. Let's move to another exercise using modal auxiliary. Let's start with number 1. Today our teacher told us that we may or must write our terms paper on Antarctica. So it's gonna be must. The teacher told us that we must do something that has to happen. You will do the research at the library or online, or you can do the research at the library or online. So use whichever you prefer. So the correct answer will be you all can do research at the library or online. You have both abilities. You have the two abilities. You are able to do the research at the library. You are able to do it online. So the correct answer will be can, because it shows the ability to do something. You are able to do this option or the other option. Number 3, everyone should choose a specific topic and begin researching by Tuesday, or everyone will choose. So the correct answer will be everyone should choose. Yeah, here we have an action that is probably ought to happen or has to happen. Yeah, you should choose a specific topic. This is something that it's better to happen that way. Number 4, according to the assignment sheet, we may write about the weather, land, or the animals in Antarctica, or we can write. We do have options, and we have all of them are possible options. We may write about the weather, the land, or the animals in the Antarctica. So we do have 3 possible options. We have 3 possibilities. So the correct answer will be may. Number 5, to do my best on this report, I must find a topic I want to learn about. To do my best on this report, I must find a topic I want to learn about. Number 6, tomorrow I will ask whether I may write about scientific expeditions to Antarctica. So the correct helping verb will be will, which shows the future tense. That's it for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video, inshallah.